Hi, welcome to AsiaDIY. I'm Asia. If this is your first time here, thank you for coming. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe below. If you are a current subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going over how to thread those brows. I know it's quarantine. We are struggling, looking like some booger wolves out here. So let's go ahead and
tame those babies back.
This is a nice way to upkeep your brow. It is slightly painful, not gonna lie, but worth it in the end because it lasts a good 2 to 3 weeks depending on how well and at what phase of the new growth your hair is in.
Here we go. Should I try to do something different? No, I'm not. Because it's the same day. I was going to, but it's the same day. We're going to keep on the same outfit and make it work.
So 2 parts coming. We are going to first henna our brows and then thread them. So make sure you stay tuned for both videos. First, you want to go ahead and fill in your brows so you get a nice outline for your shape, and then you just clean up around it. It makes it easier and quicker for me. That way I don't take off any unnecessary hair I'm trying to grow back because I'm in the process of growing my brows out. Personally, I like to henna my brows because it lasts really long, a good 2 weeks if I'm very careful, where I don't have to draw on my brows. If you're interested in this video, check that out next. These are my natural brows. They're cute. Anyway, not very full, not very thick, not very how I like them. So I'm gonna make them how I like them. Brush your brows upwards to see what I'm working with. Henna is done. Now it's time to clean up your brows. Full of a little bit of 100mm thickness string. That's important because if you use something thinner, it can snap much quicker, especially because you have a lot of tension happening in between the pulling, the tugging.
You get a nice piece of string.
Step 1, wrap it around your pointer finger. Pinch and wrap. You also want to make sure it's wrapped around the start of the string. That way it won't come loose. Just wrap over that a couple times. Make sure that's sturdy. Get the other end of our string. Go to our thumb. All right. And wrap just like you did your pointer finger. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Okay, got that. All wrapped up looking like a sausage. Feels great to me. Right, now that I have that, I put my right hand into the string, twist my right hand 3, 4, 5. The twisted area is what will pick up the unwanted hair. Be careful because this will pinch your skin. Maybe 6, okay. So now that I have that, you want to get in close and clean up. I'm gonna try to do this so I'm just lightly rubbing the string against my skin, picking up any loose hairs that are here. So use one hand to pull the string open and the other to oppose it. So depending on which way I'm trying to go, I may use my right hand to come in this way or my left hand to come out that way.
But I can see hairs falling, that's for sure.
Can't really see what I'm doing too well, but you get the gist, right? I think so. In case you're not familiar with threading, this is a great way to remove unwanted hair on the body. Threading is an ancient form of hair removal that slowly became popular over the years in salons and mall kiosks. This form of removal can be easier, cheaper, safer, and more efficient than waxing. Be careful not to catch or snatch your skin because this will scab. Yes, so up close and personal. Come in to me.
These are the lovely, beautiful brows.
She's cute. That's how I thread my brows. This is a great way to upkeep your brows in between appointments or doing them at home yourself. Either way, it's fine. It's completely up to you. Like I said, this does not feel as great as, I think anytime you're pulling hair out of the body, it's going to be slightly painful. You're going to feel small pinches or a very large pinch depending on what you're pulling out and how strong of a root your hair has in it. But anytime you're pulling hair out of the skin, it does not feel as pleasant. It's definitely something you have to adjust to, warm yourself up to. But threading is a great alternative for people who are very sensitive to waxing or cannot do tweezing because it takes a little too long. So threading is right in that middle area where it's not as quick as waxing, not as slow as tweezing, right in that middle area. It removes the hair fine for me. It's very inexpensive because all you need is thread and you have that in a sewing kit somewhere. Do not have to be bothered with it, so it's amazing. Please tell me if you have tried this before. Let me know. I'd love to hear. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe down below, and have a great day, guys. Bye. Some of my other content. I've already done my hair. We dyed it. We did it in several styles. I did my acrylic. We designed a backdrop. Check it out. Have a great day, guys. Bye.